This car is a Malaysian Perodua Myvi. The problem with the car is that after starting the car's engine, the dashboard meter, ABS and hand brake lights are on but do not turn off. I release the handbrake but the brake light doesn't turn off. Normally, the brake light turns off when the handbrake is released. I will first check with the scan computer to see what problem is causing the ABS and brake lights to turn on. Now I will click Read Fault to see the fault code. Fault codes C0215 and C0210 typically indicate a problem with the rear wheel speed sensor of your vehicle's anti-lock braking system, ABS. Here are some common causes of these fault codes: faulty wheel speed sensor, damaged wiring or connector open or short circuit, poor electrical connection, damaged sensor rotor, tone ring and encoder ring, faulty wheel bearing. A failed wheel bearing can cause wheel speed sensor problems. Perodua Myvi rear ABS sensor connected to wheel bearing. Problem solved without changing rear wheel bearing set. On the front left side of the Perodua car, there is a wire connection for the rear ABS sensor. Open the sockets and check. Disconnect all cable sockets. After opening the socket of this cable, you will see that there is a kind of blue dirt inside the socket connection. Due to this problem, usually the rear ABS sensor cannot give the signal properly. After opening the socket of this cable, you will see that there is a kind of blue dirt inside the socket connection. Due to this problem, usually the rear ABS sensor cannot give the signal properly. I will clean the wire connection socket by spraying it with WD-40. Spray and clean thoroughly so that the cable socket is free from dirt. WD-40. After spraying thoroughly, dry it thoroughly with air so that there is no spray or dirt inside the cable socket connection. The cable connection sockets have been cleaned and there are no more dirt stains. Now I will reinstall the cable connection sockets. Installation completed the socket connections. Now I am showing the two fault codes again. Now I will click Clear Fault Code to clear the fault code. Clearing fault code Weradone, please read faulty code again. Click Read Fault Code. Fault code Wera clear done. Now is no fault code. Now I will start the car engine and see if the ABS light has reset or not. I started the car engine and, God willing, the ABS light was reset. See if the brake light turns off when you release the handbrake. Now I will test the car on the road. If your car has a problem with the ABS sensor and encoder ring, the ABS light will come on while driving on the road. The ABS sensor data signal from the onboard computer is okay, all ABS sensors are working. Now after driving on the road, the ABS light no longer comes on. The problem has been solved. Thank you very much for watching the video.